Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change your Gmail name, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your Gmail name, guys, first open up your Gmail app on your phone, and after opening your Gmail app, guys, make sure that you're logged into the account on which you want to change your name. And when you land on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture or your profile icon available for us over here at the top right. Tap on your profile picture or your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the Google account button over here just below your email. Tap on the Google account and your Google account settings will open, and on this interface we'll be required to tap on the personal info option available for us over here just beside the home where I'm tapping. Tap on personal info, and you can see, guys, if you scroll down a little bit, there's a name available for us over here, and tap on your name and you will be landed on this interface where you can see your name as well as nickname over here. And at the right side of your name, guys, over here there's an arrow available for us. We'll be required to tap on the arrow icon at the right side of our name, and you'll be redirected to a browser where you'll be able to make certain edits. And you can see, guys, on this interface your name and your last name is available for us over here. Now in order to change your Gmail name, make certain edits which you want to change your name on. After changing your name and making certain edits, there will be the save button available at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the save button at the bottom right, and then your name will be changed on your Gmail. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change your Gmail name. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.